Hello there, lovely people. Welcome back to Digital Knowledge. In today's quick tutorial, you're gonna see how to save your voice note of WhatsApp as MP3 version. So to do that, we don't need to go to our WhatsApp. Rather, we need to go to our My Files or your file manager. From there, you have to go to your internal storage. Now go to Android. And from here, you will find this media option in here and check for com.whatsapp. Go to your WhatsApp and go to this WhatsApp option in here and then go to media. Now scroll down and go to WhatsApp audio. Here you will find all the audios in here. So as you can see in my audio section, each and every audio is set as .opus and extension. So I'm gonna set it keep tapped on it, and here you'll find the more option. Tap on rename and change the opus option to mp3. Tap on rename. As you can see, this is giving me a prompt that the file extension will be changed. This may cause the file to become unusable. So tap on change. As you can see, it is turned to an mp3 media. So you can just easily now hear it via voice record or Spotify or YouTube Music. So yeah, this is how you can easily play it normally, and you can save your voice note as mp3. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.